Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to download your contacts from Gmail effortlessly. Without switching to new email service, setting up a new device, or simply want to back up your contacts, this guide will help you easily export your contact list. First, log into a Gmail account on your web browser. Once logged in, click on Google Apps icon at the top right corner. It looks like a grid of dots, and select Contacts from the drop-down menu, which will take you to Google Contacts. In Google Contacts, look at the three dots and click on it to select Export. Once you click on Export Contacts, select the export format. Google Contacts offers three formats: Google CSV, Outlook CSV, B-Card for iOS contacts. If you're unsure which one to choose, you can choose Google CSV and click on Export. Your browser will then download a file containing your contacts, either prompting you to choose a download location or saving it automatically to your default download folder. Once the download is complete, you will have a file that you can import into another email service, device, or backup storage, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded your contacts from Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.